In the market, it's so much fun. There's a lot of food for everyone. There are cabbages and carrots and potatoes too. There are bananas and oranges just for you. In the market, it's so much fun. There's a lot of food for everyone. There are strawberries and grapes and melons too. There are apples and pears just for you. In the market, it's so much fun. There's a lot of food for everyone.
Chapter 2, Lesson 2, Activity 1.
Excuse me, how much is the bread?
It's $1.75.
And how much are the eggs?
They're $2.
We need cheese too, Mom. How much is that?
$3.50.
How much are the olives?
They're $4.
Okay. And how much are the peppers?
They're $1 each.
We need turkey. How much is the turkey?
It's $4.50. Chapter 2, Lesson 6, Activity 1. The Surprise Party.
Let's put everything for the party on this table.
Are there any sandwiches?
Yes, there are some turkey and tomato sandwiches. Is there any fruit?
Yes, there is. There are some strawberries and some grapes.
And I have some melon. Are there any drinks?
I have some apple juice.
And I have some orange juice.
There aren't any cookies.
But there's some birthday cake, right, Felicity?
Where's the birthday cake, Felicity?
Oh no! There isn't any birthday cake. It's at home. At home?
Felicity!
Hi, everyone. It's my birthday. Have some cake.
Happy birthday, Jason! Surprise!
Wow! A surprise party. Thank you very much.
Phew!
Money, money, money in my pocket. Money, money, I know how to count it. Money, money, I know how to count it. Money, money, money in my pocket. Money, money.
Listen to your teacher. Number the pictures. Maria is shopping with her mom in the store. Okay, now let's see my shopping list. We need some onions. Maria, get some onions, please. What's next? We need turkey for the weekend. This is a nice big turkey. And we don't have any eggs. Maria, put some eggs in the basket, please. Now, vegetables. Are there any peppers? Oh, yes. Get some, please, Maria. And we need some salad too. Are there any cucumbers? Can you get some cucumbers? And now, for sandwiches, we need mayonnaise. Does mayonnaise look fine? That's everything, I think.